Electric Burr coffee grinder for coffee lovers. Cheffano Ultra larger hopper, 17 grinding options for D2 to 12 cups. Electric Burr grinder, easy to use and clean with plastic brush included. Coffee Burr grinder black. Customize your own coffee flavor. The fully automatic design of our electric Burr coffee grinder features take the hassle out of grinding your own coffee. With the motor up to 150 watts, our electric Burr grinder delivers an efficient, consistent, even grind every time. There are 17 grind settings available for you to customize different coffee flavor. From fine, medium, coarse, the fine position is being the finest and the coarse position is being the coarsest. Spacious hopper and container. The Burr coffee grinder's coffee bean hopper is large to hold up to 3.5 ounces of coffee beans to make coffee from 12 cups at one time, so that you can enjoy the best customized coffee with your friends and beloved family. Notice, please allow the coffee grinder Burr to cool down for about 2 minutes between brewing cycles. Durable quality and intelligent safety protection system made of reinforcement stainless steel and high-end ABS. The whole coffee Burr grinder owns strongly anti-corrosion and durable quality. For safety reason, intelligent safety protection is designed in the Burr coffee grinder electric. If the coffee container and/or the coffee bean hopper lid are not properly in place to activate the micro switches, the electric Burr grinder will not operate. Easy to use and clean EASY to operate with one button touch operation on-off button with the auto stop at the end of the grinding cycle. A removable upper Burr blade hopper lid container allows access for easy cleaning. Bonus free cleaning brush included. Warranty service. Your satisfaction is our priority and we provide good customer service for you. 30-day money-back guarantee, 12-month. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.